Hello viewer, if you face Instagram Note prompt feature disappeared problem, let's see how to fix Instagram Note prompt feature option not showing. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Now tap on your profile icon from the lower corner. Now click on three line from the top right corner. Now scroll down and find out help. Click on help option. Now tap on report a problem. Now click on report problem. Now include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So write down, hi Instagram support team, my Instagram prompt feature disappeared from Instagram Note option. Please add this feature as soon as possible. Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Now follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Instagram app. If your Instagram update available, so update your Instagram app. Now open your Instagram app, click on Notes. Now see your Instagram Note prompt feature disappear problem successfully solved.